In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the text in Mailerlite. When you're designing an email, layout really matters. The way your text is arranged can completely change how easy your email is to read and how professional it looks. Mailerlite makes it pretty simple to move things around, but if you're new to the editor, it might not be obvious right away. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through how to move a text block to exactly where you want it in your email. First, make sure you're in the Mailerlite email editor and you can see your email layout with the different content blocks. These blocks might include text, images, buttons, or dividers. Each of these is its own block that you can move around independently. To start, find the text block you want to move. This might be a paragraph, a heading, or any editable text area. Move your mouse over that section and click directly on the block. When you've selected it correctly, you should see a highlighted outline or some kind of editing frame around it. That's your visual confirmation that this specific text block is active and ready to be moved. Now, with that text block selected, bring your cursor to the top or main body of the block, click and hold down your mouse button. Keep holding the mouse button as you begin to drag the block. You'll notice that the block moves with your cursor. As you drag it up or down the email, look for visual guides from Mailerlite, such as lines or shaded areas, that show you where the block can be dropped. Carefully drag the block to the exact position where you'd like it to appear. This could be above another section, between two blocks, or below an image or button. Take your time here and watch for that placement indicator so you know the block will land exactly where you intend. Once you're happy with the spot and the placement guide looks right, simply release the mouse button. When you let go, Mailerlite will drop the text block into that new location. Give the editor a second to update, then scroll through your email to double-check everything looks correct and that the flow of your content still makes sense. You can repeat this process as many times as you need until your email layout feels clean, logical, and easy to read. And that's all it takes to move text in Mailerlite. Select, drag, and drop.